Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am present before you to take class 6 Basic Geometrical Ideas, the 4th chapter of your book. And here we are on the exercise of circle, that is based on circle, that is 4.6. अगर आपने मेरी previous video देखी है, you can just solve like this. See. अगर नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज वॉच माई वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर एंड लाइक इट. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस स्टार्ट. फ्रॉम द फिगर आइडेंटिफाई, आई हैव मेड वन फिगर फॉर यू. You have to see this figure and you have to identify these many things. See the first one. First one is what? Center of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? See, center of the circle means बिल्कुल बीच में. What is the center of the circle? That is center O. Right children? Now see, 3 radii. Radii is the plural of radius. So radii हमारे कौन कौन से हैं? Center से boundary को touch करते हुए, that is OA. So we have written what? OA. Now what is next is OB. We have written OB. Okay. Now third देखते हैं OC. Yes, OC. Done. Now come to the next, that is a diameter. Diameter I told you, chord that is passing through the center. Center से पास होती हुई लाइन एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे बाउंड्री के and touching the center. So what is that? AOC. तो हम इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? AC. What? AC. Diameter is AC. Now what is the chord? Chord is what? बाउंड्री के ऊपर वन पॉइंट से अनदर पॉइंट को टच करती हुई लाइन. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ कॉर्ड. दिस इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड. बट इफ वी आर आस्किंग व्हाट इज नेम वन कॉर्ड, वी कैन राइट व्हाट? ED. ED is a chord. ED is a chord. Okay. Now come to the next. There is 2 points in the interior. अब सर्कल के इंटीरियर में कौन से 2 पॉइंट आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं? देखो, एक तो ये पॉइंट P दिख रहा है, दूसरा पॉइंट कौन सा है? खुद ये सेंटर. खुद ये सेंटर. सो व्हाट आर द 2 पॉइंट्स? देयर इज पॉइंट O एंड पॉइंट P. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट कम टू द F पार्ट. अ पॉइंट इन द एक्सटीरियर. एक्सटीरियर इज व्हाट? बाहर. सर्कल के बाहर क्या है? Q है. सो राइट इट Q. पॉइंट Q. नाउ व्हाट इज सेक्टर? सी, आई टोल्ड यू सेक्टर क्या होता है? 2 रेडियस के बीच का एरिया. So what is the sector? Sector is AOB. Sector is what? AOB. Area of AOB. Area of AOB. You can write it in this way also. Okay. Area of AOB. Okay. Now a segment. A segment, if they are asked segment. Segment क्या होता है? Chord के बीच का, the area enclosed by chord, that is what? ED. Area covered under ED, right? Area of ED. So here is our question. Now let us come to the next question, children. So children, let us come to the next question. That is every diameter a circle of a circle is also a chord? Means क्या सारे diameter chord होते हैं? Yes, definitely. I told you the longest chord of the circle is what? Longest chord of the circle is known as diameter. So it is very, very true. Okay. Now come to the second part. See what they have written. Is every chord of a circle is a diameter? Is this is a chord? Is it a diameter? No. A chord becomes a diameter when it passes through the center. This is important. अगर कोई chord center को pass करता हुआ जाता है, then it becomes the longest chord and the longest chord is diameter. तो वो diameter बन जाएगा. So this is what? This is false statement. Right? Now you have to draw any circle and mark. So question number 3 is just similar to question number 1. See children. So children, here we are with the next question, that is draw any circle and mark. Now I have made a circle for you. Now what you have to mark? See, the first one is its center. So we have marked it center और name दे दिया उसको A. So we have named it A, right? A radius, अब एक radius बनाना है. So radius के लिए center से boundary को touch करती हुई any line that is B. So I have made A B radius. Okay? A diameter. Now I just make, इसको मैंने extend कर दिया. I just make C here and I am touching this with C. So 2 radius become what? Diameter when it is passing through the center. So this is CB. This is diameter. Now see sector. Sector I told you, 2 radius के बीच का area. Suppose I have taken it E. So EAB. What is sector? Area of EAB. Right? Now this is shaded part. You can write it shaded. Now a segment. Segment के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? Chord चाहिए. I make one chord that is G and H. Right? So G and H segment चाहिए. Okay. Segment means chord के अंदर का area. The area enclosed by chord, that is, so area of GH. That is shaded part. Right, children? I think this is understood. अब क्या बता वो पूछा है? A point in its interior. अंदर 2 point चाहिए. I have taken P here and Q here. So it is what? Interior में हमारे point क्या हो गए? P and Q. Now what they are asking? Okay, 1 point only they have asked. Okay, make 1 only. Q को हटा देते हैं हम लोग. A point in its exterior. Exterior में एक point पूछा है, इसको मैंने मान लिया X. So I have taken what? X. Okay, an arc. Now what they have asked? Arc. So this is an arc. So what? G H. This is an arc. This is minor arc. So I have written this. So here is your question number 3. Now one question is left that just will do. See children, here is written say true or false. You have to tell. 2 diameters. This is a circle. एक diameter ये, दूसरा diameter ये. Okay, 2 diameters of circle will necessarily intersect. ये दोनों intersect होंगे ही होंगे. Is it right? Yes, definitely right. 2 diameter होंगे तो they must go from the center. That means they have to intersect. This is very very true. Okay. Now the center of the circle is always in its interior. अंदर ही होगा. Center हमेशा अंदर होगा या बाहर भी हो सकता है? What the question ना? Center of the circle is always in the interior. Yes, it is very true. This is in the interior only, not in the exterior. Okay children, here we have completed this chapter. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में. Till then, goodbye. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Next, we will read about the next chapter. That is what? Understanding elementary objects या fraction दोनों में से कुछ भी start करेंगे. Till then, आप देखते रहिए वीडियोस को रेगुलरली. अगर आप सीरीज में वीडियोस को देखेंगे तो आपको बहुत अच्छा समझ में आएगा और स्कूल की भी कमी आपको महसूस नहीं होगी. यू विल फील एज अ क्लासरूम स्टडी इन माय वीडियोस. सो प्लीज वॉच इट रेगुलरली. थैंक यू.